In today's video, we're going to explore a simple yet versatile petal shape that you can use in your mandalas. This is perfect for beginners, and by the end of this video, you'll have a great foundation for adding beautiful patterns to your designs. Let's start with a very simple petal shape that you can incorporate into your designs. We'll be working with an easy half oval or half circle shape. Both are incredibly common and can be used in different mandala styles. Let's call this dome shape. Before we begin, I have a basic mandala grid worksheet for you. This grid consists of 36 radial lines along with a few concentric circles. This structured guide will help you practice patterns and shapes while maintaining symmetry in your mandala artwork. If you don't know how to create this type of mandala grid, watch my previous video. Video link in the description. If you'd like to have this practice sheet and practice along with me, feel free to comment yes below and email me at kalpaartauh@gmail.com. I'll send it to you for free. Now let's start our practice. Happy creating! Since pencil marks will not be clearly visible, I am using a fine liner pen here. I suggest you to use a pencil first and then use pen over the pencil mark. Achieving clean and balanced patterns isn't about rushing, it's about enjoying the process. So take your time, practice steadily, and let the design unfold beautifully. Remember, mandala art is as much about mindfulness as it is about technique. The more you enjoy the process, the more beautiful your designs will become. Feel free to rotate the paper as we move forward. We have already practiced to use circular protractors for making these shapes in our previous video. As we explore new designs and patterns, we'll continue to refine and enhance our ideas. Each creation is an opportunity to experiment, modify, and add details that bring uniqueness to our work. This process of evolution allows us to push our creativity further, ensuring that every piece we design carries its own charm and depth. Stay tuned as we introduce fresh concepts, blending traditional elements with innovative touches to craft something truly special. Now let's see how we can use a compass to create these shapes. With precise measurements and simple techniques, we'll break down each step to form perfect curves and symmetrical patterns. Grab your compass and let's get started. Make sure to place the needle on the grid points within the same circle and keep the compass measurement consistent throughout this layer of the design. This will ensure symmetry and precision in your pattern. As you see now, for more dynamic and artistic effect, we can try overlapping one petal over another like this, making the pattern look more organic and flowing. Here's where it gets interesting. These shapes don't have to be placed only within the grid spaces. You can also add smaller versions of the same shape inside the petals, creating intricate layered patterns. Additionally, you can place these petals between the existing shapes, filling up empty spaces and adding depth to your design. Now we've explored different variations and methods for creating these dome-shaped designs. If you know any other techniques or have your own unique approach, feel free to share them in the comments. In our next video, we'll explore how to add inner filler patterns inside these shapes. Stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment and share. If you enjoyed this session, like, share, comment and support me for more videos. See you in the next video.